Good morning, students. This is the information of the lecture. Date 6 July, class 8th, subject English. And we are reading Essentials of English Grammar Children. And this is lecture number 4th. Now you see, first, second, and third lecture you have already done. Now we need to see what we are going to read in the lecture number 4. Let's see next. Chapter 5, Verbs, Modals, basically we are doing. So let's see request. If we talk about the request children, can, could, will, would. These all are used for a request. Let's see. Can you drop me near the school, please? Could you open the door, please? Can you do me a favor? Would you speak a bit louder? Can and could are more usual than will and would. Could and would are more polite than can and will. Now you see, if you make a request with can and will, that's formal, common. But if you make with could and would, that will be polite, then can and will. So let's see the next. We have got the exercise 16 before us. Look at these situations and write requests beginning with can and could. You have seen the requests in the picture. You'd see in your book. You're looking here also. I'll do first one for you. You see the boy is trying to lift something, big box, but unable to lift. And the man is standing there. So the boy will ask him, "Could you?" This is the situation I'm telling you. How will you frame? The boy will ask to the young man, "Could you help me lift this heavy box?" I'm once again repeating, could you, the small boy is asking to the big one in the situation number 1, could you help me lift this heavy box? This is the request. So children, rest of the requests you will do it yourselves. Rest and you will get in your answer key. Right? Let's go to exercise 17th. Here are some rude comments. Use can, could, will, would to make some polite and some explanation for your request. Oral practice first. Switch that television off. Now you need to make sentence of this. This is for an example basically. I have to prepare for a test tomorrow. Could you switch that television off, please? Based on these points, we need to frame any sentence which is making them polite, right? So let's see. Let's do one. First, I'll do for you. Next, you'll do it yourselves. Don't make a noise here. You have got this. So you just need to make a sentence with a polite request. See now. Father is sleeping. Would you please not make a noise here? Or you can say baby is sleeping. Would you please not make a noise here? Like this children, you will complete all the sentences in your rough notebook. When you get the answer key, there you'll match, tally the answers with the answer key, and then later you'll write in the fair notebook. Right everyone? So let's go to the next part. Prohibition. Must, mustn't, ought not to. You mustn't walk along the corridor when classes are going on. It's prohibited. You ought to not to tease the animals as a duty. You should not. It is not right to. So the one is talking about the duty and the one is talking about the prohibition. It is mustn't that really suggests prohibition. Ought not to is more like shouldn't. Must not, prohibition to do something. Ought not to, doing something won't be right. Fill in the blanks with mustn't or ought not to. Children, I'll do one example for you. Rest you'll do it yourselves. So verb are already given. You just need to put either mustn't or ought not to. So let's see what we get here. You dash take any medicine without the doctor's help. So it is prohibition, right? So must will write here. You mustn't take any medicine. Mustn't take any medicine without the doctor's advice. So rest of the sentences children you'll complete yourselves, right? Then we'll go ahead. Wish, may. May is normally used to express a wish. May you be happy. May you be blessed with a long life. We put a mark of exclamation at the end of these sentences, though it's not a question. What would you say in these situations? Begin your sentence with may. for oral practice. At the station, to a friend you have come to see off. May you have a happy journey. So you just need to wish based on these situations to the one. Let's say the first sentence I'll do for you. Rest you'll do it yourselves. To a candidate contesting an election. So the one is going to contest an election. How will you wish him or her? I tell you. First answer, may you win the election. Then exclamation mark after election. That will be the correct answer. May you win the election. That will be the correct answer. So children, just note down this and rest you'll do it yourselves. Absence of necessity. Needn't have, didn't need to. I needn't have brought my umbrella. I didn't need to bring my umbrella. Now you see, I have brought my umbrella, but there was no need to bring it. Needn't have brought, right? Needn't have, third form. And I didn't bring my umbrella because I felt there was no need to bring it. Complete these sentences with needn't have or didn't need to. And the verbs given in the brackets. We'll pick the verbs from the brackets and we need to choose either needn't have or didn't need to. So I'll do the first sentence for you. Rest you'll do it yourselves, children. The hotel provides a decent bed. You dash your own bedding. So what do we write here? You needn't have brought your own bedding. What do we write here? The hotel provides a decent bed. Right. So what will we write here? You needn't have brought your own bedding. Right. Or you can write didn't provides. Yes, of course. You can't go with the didn't because it's in the present. So we just need to see this. You needn't have brought your own bedding. This will be the correct sentence in the first. In all the next sentences, either needn't have plus third form or didn't need to first form, children. Right? Dare. I daren't go into a lion's den. Daren't means to have a courage. The child daren't talk to his father. Dare you swim across the flood river? No, I daren't. Dare means not to be afraid to do something. Not to be afraid to do something, I suppose you understand. It is mostly used in negative sentences and in questions. So, children, that's enough for this chapter. As you finish this video watching, you'll get the answer key. You'll tell you all the exercises with the answer key, and then you'll start writing these in your fair notebook. Thank you very much.